Tangram. Shape selection. Browse the wide range of built-in shapes. Put shapes together. Put the shapes together from the available pieces. Help functions. The app provides help to solve the puzzles.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Tangram app. Click on this icon in order to go to the collection of shapes. There are many shapes to choose from. Click on the arrows on the sides of the window in order to page through the collection. Select a shape by clicking. Then click on this icon in order to enter game mode. In order to place pieces onto the board, simply drag and drop them. You can rotate a piece by grabbing one of its corners. Double-click on the parallelogram to mirror it. If you click on the home icon, you return to the starting state of the puzzle while keeping the selected shape. Click on this icon in order to disable or enable shape silhouette. This might help you solve the puzzle. Click on this icon to show how the given shape should be put together from the available pieces. Visit our website for further information about our apps.